ज्ञानदायिनी माँ सरस्वती, जय to Sant Ravidas, respected Vice Principal sir, future maker teachers, on future of India, our students. You know, this is an auspicious occasion when we are going to celebrate this very birth anniversary of Sant Ravidas or Raidas. In different places of India is called differently. He had born in UP, Uttar Pradesh, you know, Varanasi, and he was from a very good family. Though his family was not cherished by others or they were not very social, but in this family he became a very good socialist. He said that if there is love, everything will be there. So love and respect is the most important thing in the world. More or less, you have discussed about the biography of Saint Ravidas, but his devotional field and social reformation is outstanding. It's a red letter day for all of us. Previously, in the same day, 12th January, we had celebrated another greatest personality of India, and now 12th February also we are celebrating this one of the greatest personality of India. This is a proud of our India, that many monks, many saints, many personalities had got born and still now they are getting their holy birth. It's our future. So my dear, you are the future of India. You should take lesson not only for the culture of his life and birth and all of the other things. Now I want to say you something about his works. Saint Ravidas spread all over the India. Still now today, many places, many states has given holiday today, this day. Bihar, all the government schools, UP, Punjab, Haryana, many states has given holiday because of this one of the famous person. Saint Ravidas is not only for the matter of words only. His work, his way of life, he said untouchability is the superstitious thing and sin of all over the country. So you should not think about the casteism and untouchability when or whenever will stay. Any society will not last for the longer time. So he always meet with all types of people, different types of people, not only for the higher class but also backward class, every people. He said his devotional words, he said his devotional, he sang his devotional songs, many songs. He said holiness is only in the mind. Where God will stay, where holiness will be there. If your mind is sacred, if your heart is sacred, then God will stay. God is not only on any kind of statue or murti. God is everywhere. He said, and not only his words, but also in his all the works and activities. He wrote many kinds of short poems, songs, many dohas, everything. He said, from that day, you know, and some students said, Mon changa to katuti pe ganga. Actually, it is these words. What is the meaning? That the holiness, you are going to Mahakumbh or like the other sacred places. Okay, it's very good. But first of all, you should make your mind. If your mind will good. If your mind will holy, then everything will be there. You are getting many things. You are doing many works and activities. You have to ask yourself whether you are doing with your 100% holiness or not. If you are doing all of these things, all of these works by your sacred mind, then only you can get solace, satisfaction and everything. If solace will not come, how can you will be succeed? Only you are earning, you are getting some job, you are earning some money is not enough. You have to spread your words, religious terms, devotional words, and spread to all over the people where the God belongs. God belongs to the heart, very core of the heart, where you will judge God. You have the power, you have the utility if you think about your power. God is everywhere. Brain is within you. You cannot say he or she is the first boy or girl. So you will not achieve this place. If you give two things, then you can easily achieve. These two things are the many things. What are the two things? One is concentration. And the other thing is preparation. And preparation with concentration, you will do anything. You can achieve your betterment, and 360-degree holistic development will then only come. Not only in one field, I am telling all of this. Whether you are doing, whether you are playing, whether you are studying, you have to give proper concentration. Without proper concentration, you cannot achieve that thing. Suppose you are batting in a cricket field. You have to hit some run with 3 balls. And then, suppose you are thinking that your English teacher will chide you next day if your homework will not be done. What will happen? You will be out. Because that time your concentration should be in the field. So concentration is the very most important thing and word. Then the perfection will come by practice. Practice makes a man perfect. This practice, when you will do again and again, you will do, and with your proper concentration, that will achieve your holiness. So my dear students, with your holy feeling, with your heart, sacred mind and concentration, you do your better thing, jump for your higher